Hola, welcome to my channel. My name is Angelique, also known as Nino Marie. If you are new here, make sure you stop what you're doing, subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you are not new here, welcome back. I am using the 2x pre-stretch expression braiding hair. I use 2 packs. I am using the Shine and Gem for crisp partings, and we need a rat tail comb, preferably one with a metal tail. And make sure you have some scrunchies and some clips just to pull the hair out your way. I am also using a thread rack to separate the hair. Now y'all, this is the tedious part. I am using the Shine and Jam to make my parts crispy, and I want you guys to watch me as I part off these straight backs. You want to make sure to taper off your part to where the braid will come together. You see that? It's coming to a point. Make all of them do that. That is most important when doing straight backs. That's why it is very, very, very important to part off your sections first. I part off my sections first before doing any type of braiding. Okay, as you see here, I finished and they're all even and all coming to a part. Now you are seeing me start off the feed-in braid. This is not a tutorial. This is for advanced braiders, okay? I am just showing this in real time so that you guys can watch me braid my hair, my own hair. I am taking my time. I am making sure to place my head how I would have my client's head placed. Just trying to give you guys some pointers on how to style your own hair and be neat about it. Now, I do believe this style only took me about 2 hours to do. That is not including my me washing my hair and blowing it out, which I did do that beforehand. I made sure to deep condition, and then I applied my heat protectant, and then I blew my hair out using a dryer with a comb attachment. Okay. But yeah, it took me about 2 hours to braid my hair in its entirety. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I just want you guys to see, I guess, watch me do my own hair. Sometimes it's therapeutic for me to watch other people do their hair. So here y'all go. I hope y'all like it. Make sure that y'all are communicating with me. Talk to me. Comment below what you think, what you like about this video. If you want to see more videos like this, what other type of videos you guys want to see, talk to me and let me know in the comments below. So you guys will see me turn around, and the way I have my setup when I am doing my hair, like I've said in my previous videos, I have a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me. This helps me to see what I am doing in the back of my head. So yeah, if you guys want to try this, when you guys try this, use 2 mirrors and a lot of lighting, okay? Make sure you guys have a full day ahead of you, you know, and have patience, and you will be able to style your own hair as well. Or you can even do this style on someone else. You can practice on someone else's head, but just let me know when you guys do and how it goes. But just always remember, when doing straight backs, you can have however many straight backs you want in your head. Just make sure that you are tapering it off to where the partings are coming to a point so that you can fit them on your head, okay? Because we want it to be so neat, nice, and pretty. So yes, just continue watching, and I will come back when I have another tip for you guys. So as y'all can see, my hand placement stays the same until I am comfortable enough to bring the braid to the front. This is how I am able to keep my braids so neat. Right here you can see I am tucking my natural hair so that I won't have a frizzy braid. I am adding hair, and I'm also still applying jam down the braid when I see fit. So you guys want to always make sure that you are tucking your hair. I don't care if it's the same color, the weave is the same color as your hair. You always want to tuck your hair or whoever else hair that you are doing, so that when it comes to dipping, your hair does not revert and show through the braid. So right here I'm showing you guys how I start off. I make sure to apply jam on both sides of the braid so that you don't have any flyaways and that it is nice and sleek. At this point, yes, y'all, my arms are on fire, but I am almost done. So my motivation to keep going is there, you know. And also, I try my hardest to have neat braids because I am obviously a product of my own. I am an example of my own product. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so my arms are tired. My arms do get tired when I'm doing my own hair, but hey, you gotta stick it out. It doesn't last forever. So yeah. I am finally on the last braid. I'm so excited, y'all. I love my hair already. Even though I'm looking like a greasy mess, it's okay because your girl about to get real cute. But yeah, and y'all can see I get so freaking red. Like, there's nothing wrong with me. I am just super sensitive. So yeah, make sure you guys are tucking your hair. Remember, tuck your hair under the weave, and I am continuing to add weave because I wanted some extra long braids. And here soon I am going to show you how I crinkle the ends. I did it. I'm finally done. I'm cute, cute, cute. Yes, honey. Wait for this slow-mo though. Period. Okay. Braids crispy. Hair is done. Protective style is popping. Period. Okay. Do my little dance. Do my little dance. Now I am braiding my hair up because I want my ends to be crinkly. So yes, just braid a regular braid. If you don't know how to braid, you can twist, or you can add some rollers or whatever of your choice. But yeah, so that's what we're doing here. Braiding it all the way down. And I already have my tea kettle going. It's boiling water, like, you know, within seconds. So I have my huge mug, and make sure you guys have a lot of towels because you will burn yourself if you don't be careful. I have done that a couple of times. So now I'm unraveling the braids, and I am making sure to trim the ends. And we are done, y'all. I want to thank y'all so very much for watching this video to the very end. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.